Hey, you been talk story before.
He said no.
So the rest is history. Now make I ask you.
He look at lovingly.
He look at lovingly.
Can you help me? And
Ain't can't fall for him.
Because she pressed the mumu button.
Now, ma ask you.
Yeah.
If you get movie, you get person can give you script now.
Yeah.
And that script, like, you don't read them, you know, say, man, this is not blockbuster.
Yeah.
This movie, it not get anyhow. It go crazy. And you can't carry the script. You never read the script. But the first way you bring the script, can't tell you, say different organizations, companies want back you for this movie. And for that script, then go kiss her tire. Yeah, then go lick her ear. Kiss her tire. If then go feed do, make them do original do for the film. And now you go be director of the film. My brother talk through.
Make an answer.
It
don't happen.
So you get some things.
Talk, tell us the story.
No, so you get some things where director know you talk.
Tell us.
No, because I don't know how God give me that kind of wisdom, Sha. But as long as no be say, now I walk. You understand?
But you know go they vex for where
no, you know the vex because I don't already. How many times?
But if I not do.
No, I don't already. She don't already act with actors for my set now. They go kiss, they go do all those kind of things and all that.
Have to go press up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Me, I even tell them like, do more. Well, I kiss some more. God do.
But wait, make I ask you. In all those movies where they do, inside that movie where they do, when they tell you, kiss more. You don't ever get anyone where they kiss, you can't enjoy them. Wow.
You know, say me they do their
Master, no worry. Ignore saying they here. Talk
now the character name they enjoy.
Who be the character?
Not be you. Not
be
character.
Maybe in the character named Cassandra or Majowa
or Jennifer. Understand people. They enjoy that kind of thing.
Not be Ijoma. No, any of those.
Who is done? Why they call again now?
Ojuku.
Okay. Ojuku. So now your character now enjoy am, not be you. Now make I ask you, but if you get one, this guy now is a good actor. Before I enter what I want to do now, the next question I want to ask now. He's a good actor. He can act boyfriend well. Why not make you do film, just 1 minute film now? Make him one break up with her. She now come, they say, no, you can't do this to me. Ingo say, no, okay. Ingo,
drag me, come back,
come kiss.
I know why, wait, you
they do, no, they don't play now. You go see it now, why you fidget?
See what thing it
Come now, but you go pay now, not free. So you just carry out. For waiting now, which advert? I work with this one. No, say we get picky.
First, okay. This thing consult with me, make I tell you.
Now money, drop money.
Okay, now how much?
You know how much actors they collect now?
No, how much now?
I just whisper.
No, not whisper.
Go whisper now.
Maybe the whole word.
You want
this
me
one with the advert?
What they price you for TV?
No, tell me.
When now those they do.
Are you the producer?
That's bad, man. That's bad.
I never bring all of them finished.
That's wrong, man.
Now that's one I bring.
What's that they charge? No feed in your pocket.
At all, man.
Okay, so
pounds, they my pocket.
I don't care.
Hey, pounds na 412.
Pounds na 412 naira. You don't know how many pounds in my pocket.
And you know say
pounds, 1 million
pounds not be like naira when we say they take pounds is yours flat like pepper. You know, take sanga. You can't take one after the other.
Now, may I ask you, when Daniel asks you, say, make you marry him, well, before you answer that question, I want me to enter the serious part of the question now, don't the places. From Jos, good evening. Maybe your people they call you.
Maybe.
Hello, from Jos.
Hello?
Good evening, how is you?
Yes. Yes, I can hear you.
That long?
Yes.
Now you call us, you say yes.
Oh, yeah, talk to us, no vex.
Hello?
Talk now.
Good evening.
Good evening, you are what?
I'm a first time caller.
Oh, yeah, now.
Obviously.
Talk now.
Lalong.
You know, say our sports minister na Dalong be named.
So you think say na brother be this?
Maybe na brother.
No.
Or maybe na him.
They all share the same village. No. As sport minister, no, they do this kind of thing.
Now, make I ask you, so that day when tell you saying go make you a star.
You're not talking like that.
Okay, I did talk.
I ain't TikTok.
Just them say you like me.
Yeah.
I like you. I love you. I like you. Talk your own.
You know say
I
like
think that you say like you.
Act am now. No, you be the actor. Actor. How
I did talk.
He just said.
Jesus.
Talk am now. You be the actor. Yeah, actor. Make everybody see.
I like you.
He just said.
They do you no go.
Somebody say.
No, he asked them. He said I like you. Say I go one date. Yes. So I can't turn. Like they speak too much grammar that time. I'm like, sorry, we don't have the same value system.
Jesus. Value system.
Jesus is Lord.
Which one the value now? Value system.
Value system not tax.
I don't know.
Value added tax.
Value system na system of government.
So what do you call answer? Or what do you
No, as in, make she finish because
continue.
yeah, because I should be the actor.
Oh yeah,
So
talk.
they say they shout Jesus. Cause say, which one be value system? He said the matter. So I want date you. Yes or no? I said my rules plenty. I say if you follow my rules, no wahala. I say if you follow, I say okay. So I can't list all of them. Say
What's gonna be the rules?
I'm a sister.
Wait, before you list the rules. Hello, good evening. Hello? Good evening.
Evening.
Joel,
Yeah, good evening.
how now? Talk to us.
Hey, do lady.
Sir?
Why did they like to hail you first?
That girl, she's a good actor.
Oh, thank you, Joel.
She dey hear
You don't want to
see
crash out inside the cinema?
you.
Hello?
I don't go everywhere. Nation.
You don't watch her film for inside cinema?
No, I never watch him.
You are sleeping on a
This
bicycle.
one, this one, so she act. She really try very well.
Go watch Taxi Driver for cinema, then you go understand. This one, she not even do anything.
Yes.
Which of the drama she act?
Okashewo.
Taxi Driver, Okashewo.
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Go watch am.
Okay.
Then you get ready to, start to vote.
They make you vote. E dey for AMVCA.
Yes.
Yeah.
They make you vote. Chioma, good evening.
That's it.
Chioma.
Hey, good evening.
Chairman Jesus.
Hey, I like your program very, very well.
Oh, we like that you are watching it, Chioma, baby.
Thank you.
Yes, lady, I like that girl. I get fine.
Which girl?
Oh,
Good,
stop
I
it like you.
I like her shape well.
You like her shape?
Thank you.
You say you like her shape?
Yes, so I like her lequacious shape. And she did very good. I like her.
You don't watch her film Okashewo inside cinema?
I just saw the husband just now. And I see the husband take that
you need
show.
to watch. You
You
will love her some more.
You need to go and watch it.
You will love her some more.
Go watch the movie. That's what she do. She not do anything, no.
Yes.
Watch that movie.
They do. Hello?
Okay.
They go one problem with our area.
What's
They
the
do one
problem?
problem with our area.
What's happened?
1 million boys. They call them 1 million, but they terrorize our area.
Okay, those armed robbers.
1 million boys with their name.
They terrorize in our area.
I'm telling
Which
you,
area
they
is
not be small.
Which area be this?
Badagry side.
Badagry.
From Agbara to Badagry now, nobody keep that two eyes closed.
Okay, no worry. Police people, they some of them they watch. At least they go don't fit do something. If they go do something about it.
We
No
need
worry.
help. We go to the hospital for Badagry now. Go see people where they don't cut their leg, cut their hand, reach. That is
No worry. It is where police go do something about it. Our police don't do okay. They try.
They
They
don't
go
buy
do
them.
something.
They don't buy the
I
new
pray
car.
so.
And they don't buy the new cars now. They go use and take them.
I think it's. I enjoy. You look good. I think it's your gown is beautiful.
This
I
gam.
think it's your gown is beautiful.
Choma, bye now.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
It's my talent.
Sonny from Abuja. Good evening. Hey, we not even get time to ask them.
You know say and we tell them that time when they come
I will
here.
tell
They
you,
still
say-
say we they play. Hello?
Hello,
Hello?
Yes.
Sonny.
Hello?
Asani baby.
Sonny Ojaga.
Nedu?
Sir.
Ma?
You need to come here
Hello?
and then give me the name.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello to you now. What is it?
The TV too loud.
Nadu,
Sonny.
Sonny,
how are you?
how are you?
Come, wait. Hello, you hear me?
Hello, you dey hear me?
Bros, don't be calling now. I want to blow my ear.
Cross the border and I won't blow my ear.
Ma, sir.
Ma, sir,
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Jung fire.
Maybe you want increase volume of TV.
No, say we be the original.
That say we be increase volume of. Don't try
The
us.
original volume. Don't try us. Who are you? Who do you think that you are?
Tell me.
We don't even fit.
We don't even see time. Not even day again. 2 minutes now will come out. What do you feel like to marry director?
It gets in good side and in bad side.
Which one is bad side?
Wetin might be
This
bad
guy,
side?
if they work for set, you know they know say person na person wife. You go just the treat person in here, act it, big character, cry.
Then you go quiet. Then you go wait for them for house. That's
Yes,
it.
sister,
I said.
sister. Ah.
Then when you come inside house, you go do like mouse. You
I
go
go-
do what? So baby.
Now what? See your life in the open.
I'm telling you.
See your life in the
I'm
open.
telling you.
Say, don't worry.
I'm telling you.
I got you.
That time I may be.
Yes.
director.
Thank you.
Say you carry more. She like her, man. Director for us.
I beg, how would I feel the first time when I hear say they don't nominate Okasha inside Africa Magic Viewer Choice Award?
We happy well because we
No,
work
just
hard
dey
for
shout.
that. We just dey. Nah, yes, so just dey shout. We happy well. People come dey call congratulations.
No, be only congratulations. The moon enter, carry your finger, just the vote.
Vote for phone 100 times. Vote for internet
everything.
100 times.
So that when you dey watch that thing, when they say, and the winner is Okasha, you go shout, say, oh,
I know those people.
I want shout,
That girl, she can kiss.
she was turned into a star.
She was turned into a star.
She was turned into a star.
If it can happen to her, it can happen to us.
That is it.
So therefore, guys, now the new line of those things now say, baby,
Look
into my eyes. I want to make you a star.
Then you become
a
Star.
But it depends on the person who tell you that thing. Now tell me, what be the advantage and disadvantage of marrying an actress? Because some people they tell you say they're not fit marry anybody with entertainment because of the things where they believe in entertainment people they do. Like they go believe say most of the girls when they say they into acting, say most of them they enter acting because of men wey go see them.
God, do. See una life. He say, see as bros, yours they use corner eye of law, follow him sweetie. Perez na wife, so they you snap the thing. It's not me, oh. See una there. He say he use corner eye, they look at him sweetie.
Say they use loving eye.
God.
Because they say most girls where they act, say most of them they do them because of men where go see them. Make them they do their work, what they do. Waiting be the advantage. Because I don't go like give you some people go down they tell you, why you marry this woman? This one, that one. So what will be the advantage and disadvantage of marrying an actress?
For me, no disadvantage.
No disadvantage. Thank you. Now, what I expect to hear.
No disadvantage for me. Why? Because I always wanted to marry somebody in the industry.
Okay.
Because of what I do. I know say no be everybody go understand
you.
You know. So I dey look when I did as in I dey look people where I dey and I be guy now, so I meet people, you understand. But some you go when I go waka reach one place, you go see this one never ready to do the long waka. And when I just see Joma, I know say she ready for the long waka. Because when we start, we don't get anything. You understand? As if we don't really get anything. They actually stay with my auntie. You understand? So when I even carry and come my house, I say, see you here, this still, inside this small room, and this still, I mean, your manager like that. I didn't tell you, but now.
Even make am dey.
Oh, you, what did make you agree follow am that time?
The guy dey honest.
But wait,
Just dey honest.
he never get any time when they shoot film. Since you take like her acting, you go see another girl. You go see another girl. Wait, because her height.
But not be because of her acting alone. Make
Na
me say,
everything-
you understand? As in, it just be like, you go know. I don't know if you understand. If you meet the person, they always talk and say, don't worry, when you ready to marry. You go know. Then they talk and say,
Of course, you gonna.
they say your body go tell you, say, now this one be your own. So me, I just stay very, very confident, very comfortable. As in, because of the kind of work wey she dey do, you understand? So sometimes they go just call and say one script dey ready, this is me, you can't look am any time of the day. She go just stand waka. Do you understand? I know they feel say, this girl they come out, go meet her on that. I know they enter my head because I know
person where you married.
Yeah, so for me, and the way we dey do our thing, we dey do them together. You
understand? How do they take join with motherhood and fatherhood?
My pikin dey outside.
Yes, I know. How do they take?
We dey do am. We dey do am. We dey do am.
They can't
festival, travel.
We dey do am. We dey do am. I don't know how we get the brain do am, but we dey do am.
Anyhow. 4 hands is better than 2 hands.
My brother. Anyway, time not there again at all.
You know, say.
Now the thing on top. This should be that. For those of you who are following now on top social media, Ijoma, what will be your social media handles? Instagram,
na Ijoma Grace. I go everything together.
Gracie,
Twitter,
okay,
na Gracie World. Grace with EY, then World. Gracie World.
I got that.
Twitter is Filmic. FILMIC 25. Then my Instagram is Daniel.E.Oriahi, ORIAHI. What are you guys talking about? These guys are always gossiping. You guys gossip a lot.
You know, that Valentine film when they do that time.
Yes.
Una not say we not see them till after Valentine. So
you pay money. Pay us money. Pay us money.
For like money, you just pay. Don't small pay.
Pay us money. No.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.